Hello everybody, today we're going to do an unboxing of the Rode Wireless Go. So I just bought it to use it in my channel so I can be free when I talk with my viewers. So I'm unboxing it for myself. This is not the main channel, the main thing of my channel, but I'm doing it for myself so I can see everything is okay, and I'm just showing you what's in this box. So I don't deal with video and audio all the time, so it's just my sidekick. I just want to train and teach karate, and so I'm just doing it to show you. Let's open the box. It's gonna be a quick unboxing. Okay. Let's see. It's stuck. Like it's still connected somehow. Okay, that's the box. Now we have here. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. So I guess one of these is the transmitter, and the other one, I guess this is the microphone, and this is the transmitter. This is the charging cable. This is a cable to connect to the camera. This is a nice bag to have. Instruction manual. And we have this, I don't know if it's called dead cat, but we have these to block the wind. That's really nice. And you have another cable, USB-C, I guess, for charging. So this was unboxing, and that's it. I'm only going to do this unboxing. I guess this one, because it has this part here, is the microphone, and this one, I guess, is the transmitter. So I'm going to use it in my next video, and you're going to tell me how my audio sounds. I'm using now also a Rode microphone. So that's it. That's the unboxing. Let's go again about all the box. This is the box. Inside you have another box. Afterwards you can find, I don't know why, but there are two USB-C cables. I guess these two are for charging. So I can charge both units at the same time. And we have here dead cat. So you can put it on the microphone. I don't know if that's what's called dead cat, but this is to block the wind when you talk in a windy area. And you have a transmitter here and the microphone here that you can attach a different microphone as well. And you have a really nice bag to put it all. I wouldn't trust this bag, but you know, just to put it inside a better bag. So that's it for today. That's the unboxing of the Rode Wireless Go. Thank you very much.